Hi to all. How are you? Okay. I think you are all fine. Now, just we can go to see about what is literature survey, how you can do the literature survey for your product. Product. For your patents research. First of all, you should know what is literature survey. So, literature survey is not on Google. Before getting into start into literature survey, first you should do one thing. First, you find out which area you are focused. Once you focused your area, then you start your literature. I think you all clear. So, when you are going to start with literature survey, there are three things you must know. The first thing is why we have to do literature survey, what are the sources are available, then who are all the publishers. Then only you can get a good paper. It's a good start while you are going to start with either mini project or you are going to do with an pattern search. So why the why term contains there are many things. The first thing is you should aware of what are all the different approaches are focused on your particular area, then what are the gaps and what is your novelty for doing that particular project. That should not be an copy of others work, then there should be some clarity should be there. Then once you are clear about these these focused points, then only you can get a good idea about your literature. So how we can do the literature survey, so that you should know what all the resources are available. So when you are talking about the sources, the first thing is there are so many sources are available. We are classifying into so many contests. The first one is open access, then InTest. InTest is provided by IIT Delhi. Then library subscription, that is available in our NEC also. Then some ResearchGate as well as academia.edu. Then when you are talking about the primary sources, that is nothing but periodicals, research reports, conference proceedings, thesis and published work. So out of these also you can able to get a paper, your idea based on your research. So once you are getting into those topics, you must know what are all the major publishers are available in the same topic. So while you are getting into research, while you are searching a paper, better you can use Elsevier publishers, Springer, Taylor and Francis, Nature, Money Publishing, then Science Direct and Springer. Then only your paper is Pakka one. So better you can go for these publishers. I'll show you one demo out of this. You can look at here. This is the paper I have downloaded from net. So here the publisher I have went through Elsevier. You can able to see, and the journal Applied Soft Computing. So when you are taking a paper, how to read the paper you should know. So you can look at here while you are getting into the paper, the article which consisting of the title of the paper, and the title of this paper is Intelligent Facial Emotion Recognition Using a Layered Encoding Cascade Optimization Model. So before getting into the paper, you just divide it into three parts. The first one, main thing is abstract. Then this is your DOI number. So if you know the DOI number, you can able to research whatever the paper you want to do, you can do it. First thing is you have to read the abstract, and the second thing you have to getting into your conclusion part. Conclusion. Then you have to go into methodology. This is how you have to read the paper. So while you are starting when you are reading the abstract, you can't able to understand. So at least 5 to 6 times you read the paper. If the batch consisting of 4 members, better each person can take your own points out of this abstract alone. This abstract will be understood by each one for different context. After that you can conclude it. You can get you will get a common idea. After that you can choose your topic. That is the way of selecting your area towards your mini project. I think you must be clear. Okay, so abstract, conclusion, methodology, it is very important. So focus on those 3, then select the paper. You please divide it into group. If your group is consisting of 4 members, ask them to read, made one Word document. That is the way you have to prepare your literature survey. I think you all must understand. This is how, based on this approaches, you please plan accordingly. Then you will get a good idea how to select your project title for your mini project as well as your pattern survey. Thank you.